Session 16 of Industrial Relations and Labour Legislation of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the causes of industrial disputes. Industrial disputes occur because of factors which are economic and non-economic and connected with the management, trade union, and legal or political causes. Economic causes, those arising out of discontent or dissatisfaction pertaining to wages, bonus, dearness allowance, conditions of work and employment, working hours, leave and holidays with pay, unjust dismissals or retrenchments. Non-economic causes. Non-economic causes are psychological, like non-recognition or lack of opportunities, organizational, which are unfair practices, or physical, like poor working conditions. The trade unions want their recognition, victimization of workers, ill treatment by supervisory staff, sympathetic strikes, political causes, etc. Let us see the general causes of industrial disputes. Close-mindedness of employers and employees. One thinking to extract maximum work with minimum remuneration, and the other thinking to avoid work and get more enhancement in pay and wages. Second is irrational wage or the wage system and structure which is not mutually acceptable. Poor working environment, low presence of safety, hygiene conditions which cause problems to the smooth working atmosphere. Poor human relations and lack of betterment on the part of the management personnel, lack of control over the situations, erosion of discipline which rebounds for the issues, introduction of new technology or automation, mechanization, computerization without proper consultation or preparations and discussions with the workers, and such circumstances the workers are not ready to face. Nepotism. Nepotism is giving jobs to the relatives, unequal workloads or disproportionate wage and responsibilities, favoritism. Then adoption of unfair labor practices either by employer or employees and unions. Unjustifiable profit sharing and not considering workers as a co-sharers for the gains of the industry. Frequent union rivalries over membership, foisting up of fake unions, strikes, lockouts, layoff, resulting retrenchment due to high-handedness on the part of the concerned parties, throwing away the agreements and arrived settlements, militancy of the unions, militancy nature of the unions, attitude of government and political parties who may indirectly control some of the unions for their own gains or to get hold on the industry. So these are some of the causes of strikes. References.